morning. Today we're going to talk about surface area. And the concept of surface area can be made relatively simple. The way that I think about surface area is I think about adding up the area of all of the outside surfaces on a three-dimensional shape. So let's take an example. Let's look at a cylinder. Now, if I look at the cylinder and I think about what are the outside shapes, I think about seeing a circle on the top, a circle on the bottom, and if I unravel the shape, I see that the middle section actually forms a triangle. So if I were to calculate the surface area of a cylinder, I would find the area of the top circle, add it to the area of the bottom circle, and those circles would be identical. Then I would add that to the area of this rectangle, and that would give me the surface area of the cylinder. I would apply the same concept to any three-dimensional shape. So let's just sort of go through them briefly. So let's say I had a triangular prism. Again, imagine yourself unraveling the shape and calculating the area of all of the outside surfaces. You can see here that we would have to calculate the area of 2 triangles plus 3 rectangles, okay? Every shape can be unraveled. So here I have a rectangular prism, I have a cube, a trapezoidal prism, a pentagonal prism, hexagonal prism, octagonal prism, and here I have a cone. Now, a cone unraveled will actually be a little bit different. You'll see that if you unravel the cone, you're actually going to have a circle on the bottom, and then you're going to have this weird shape up top. So we'll learn a formula to deal with this weird shape. But if you're going to calculate the surface area of a cone, you're going to need 2 parts. Okay, let's continue with our triangular pyramid, square pyramid, rectangular pyramid. Again, every shape can be unraveled, and you're just going to calculate the area of all of the surfaces. That way, there's no formulas to memorize. It's really just about using your common sense, okay? So this document, you can refer to at any time throughout the entire unit if you need to sort of see how a shape unravels, okay? Now, the sphere is the only one that's very hard to imagine, and I'm actually going to show you a really cool Edpuzzle video on a sphere to think about how to calculate the surface area. There's no good explanation for thinking about unraveling, a ball. So that's the only one that's going to be a little strange, but make sure you refer to this at any time. And in the next couple of videos, what we'll do is we'll look at some of the formulas and we'll actually do some examples of problems using this concept of surface area.